Who has been appointed as the new chairman of UPSC in May 2025? Correct answer is option B, Ajay Kumar. The World Food Prize 2025 has been given to Dr. Mariangela Hengria. She belongs to which country? Correct answer is option D, Brazil. Anthony Albanese has been re-elected as Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option A, Australia. Which state tops the medal tally of Khelo India Youth Games 2025? Correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. Who became the 86th Indian chess grandmaster? Correct answer is option C, Srihari LR. Which of the following sports has been included in the Asian Games 2026? Correct answer is option B, mixed martial arts. Kamla Prasad Bisesa has been recently appointed as the new Prime Minister of which country? Right answer is option C, Trinidad and Tobago. Who has become the new Vice Chief of the Indian Air Force? Correct answer is option B, Narmadeshwar Tiwari. Which country has won the BWF Sudirman Cup 2025 for the fourth consecutive term? Correct answer is option B, China. Lawrence Wong has become the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option D, Singapore. Who has been selected for Goldman Environment Award of the Year 2025? Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Winners are Sema Gharbi of Tunisia, Batmonk Lavzandash of Mongolia, Basjana Juri and Olzi Nika of Albania, Carlos Malo Molina, Canary Islands, Lauren Allen of United States, and Marilaz Kanakari Murayari of Peru. Who recently won the Saudi Arabian Grand Prix 2025 title? Correct answer is option C, Oscar Piastri. Who has taken charge as the chairman of BRICS Chamber of Commerce and Industry? Correct answer is option B, Harvansh Chawla. Who has been awarded Fiji's highest honor, Companion of the Order of Fiji in April 2025? Correct answer is option D, Madhusudan Sai. Where is the World Audio Visual and Entertainment Summit, WAVES 2025 been held? Correct answer is option D, Mumbai, Maharashtra. Payal Kapadia has been awarded the Officer of the Order of Arts and Letters by which country? Correct answer is option B, France. Jagadguru Rambhadracharya was awarded the 58th Jnanpith Award for his contribution to the literature of which language? Correct answer is option C, Sanskrit. Who has recently been appointed as the first Buddhist Chief Justice of India? Correct answer is option C, B.R. Gavai. Who is the author of the book Heart Lamp, which has received the International Booker Prize 2025? Correct answer is option C, Banu Mushtaq. Where was the 2025 World Hydrogen Summit held? Correct answer is option D, Rotterdam, Netherlands. Who is the author of the book The Kashmir Shawl? Correct answer is option A, Rosie Thomas. Which has become the 123rd country to sign the International Solar Alliance Framework Agreement? Correct answer is option C, Angola. Who has won the Kalinga Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, Goa FC. Who has become the head of the National Security Advisory Board, NSAB? Correct answer is option B, Alok Joshi. Who has become the president of the Badminton World Federation? Correct answer is option C, Khunyeng Patama. Who was awarded 2025 UNESCO Guillermo Cano World Press Freedom Prize? Correct answer is option C, La Prensa, the Nicaraguan newspaper. According to IMF data, which country has overtaken to become the world's fourth largest economy? Correct answer is option A, India. Which state has been officially declared as the country's first fully literate state? Correct answer is option C, Mizoram. Which Indian athlete has recently conferred the honorary rank of Lieutenant Colonel in the Territorial Army? Correct answer is option C, Neeraj Chopra. Shirui Lily Festival is celebrated in which state? Correct answer is option C, Manipur. Where was the Teesta Prahar military exercise conducted by the Indian Army? Correct answer is option C, West Bengal. Who has been appointed as the next executive chairman of the National Legal Services Authority, NALSA? Correct answer is option C, Justice Surya Kant. Who has been crowned as the 72nd Miss World 2025? Correct answer is option B, Opal Sujata Changsri of Thailand. In which year India's first manned deep ocean mission, Samudrayan, scheduled to be launched? Right answer is option B, by the end of 2026. Which of the following countries has recently launched the Golden Visa? Correct answer is option C, Vietnam. Who is the author of the book, Win the Battle of Your Mind? Correct answer, option C, Rita Rammurthy Gupta. The Tapti Basin Mega Research Project is aimed at enhancing water security between which two states? Correct answer is option A, Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra. Which country has recently launched the world's first crypto tourism payment system? Correct answer is option B, Bhutan. Which is set to become India's first legislative assembly to run fully on solar power? Correct answer is option C, Delhi Assembly. Which day has been officially designated as Ayurveda Day by the Indian government? Correct answer is option C, the 23rd of September. Which two Indian cricket players recently announced their retirement from Test cricket? Correct answer is option D, both B and C, Virat Kohli and Rohit Sharma. Who has recently won the title of CEF Under-19 Championship 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Which country will be the fastest growing economy in the world in 2025 and 2026 according to the United Nations? Correct answer is option C, India. What is India's rank in the World Press Freedom Index 2025? Correct answer is option B, 151st rank. The World Press Freedom Day was observed on. Correct answer is option A, the 3rd of May. Who is the author of the book, Beyond the Courtroom? Correct answer is option C, Fali S. Nariman. Where has India's first transshipment port, Vizhinjam International Port, inaugurated? Correct answer is option B, Kerala. Who has become the first Indian brand ambassador of Dreamy Technology? Right answer is option D, Kriti Senon. What is India's rank in the Human Development Index 2025 released by UNDP? Correct answer is option C, 130th. Where has India's first gold melting ATM been installed recently? Correct answer is option B, Hyderabad. Indian origin Anita Anand has been appointed as the Foreign Minister of which country? Correct answer option B, Canada. Anurag Bhushan has recently become India's ambassador to which country? Correct answer option B, Sweden. Which country hosted the 46th ASEAN Summit 2025? Right answer is option A, Malaysia. Where was world's first energy transmission park has been recently inaugurated? Correct answer is option C, Telangana. Which airport has recently received the Platinum Award for Green Initiatives? Correct answer is option B, Hubballi Airport, Karnataka. Who is the author of the book Ramanujan, A Journey of a Great Mathematician? Correct answer is option C, both A and B, Arun Singhal and Devendra Kumar Sharma. Who has become the chairman of Public Accounts Committee? Correct answer is option B, K.C. Venugopal. International Day for Biological Diversity 2025 was celebrated on which day? Correct answer is option D, the 22nd of May. Nikosha Dan has become the president of which country? Correct answer option C, Romania. Justice K. Somshekhar has been appointed as the Chief Justice of which state's High Court? Correct answer is option B, Manipur. India has provided medical assistance of $2 million to which country for the management of thalassemia and sickle cell anemia? Correct answer is option A, Nepal. Which city has been officially declared as India's first beggar-free city? Right answer is option A, Indore. Which country formally quit from UNESCO recently? Correct answer is option B, Nicaragua. Who has recently launched Operation Olivia to protect olive ridley turtle? Correct answer is option C, Indian Coast Guard. Kamal Idris has been recently appointed as the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option D, Sudan. In which country has 16 feet tall statue of Lord Hanuman been installed recently? Correct answer is option B, Guyana. Who topped the medal tally of the Khelo India Beach Games 2025? Correct answer is option C, Manipur. Which ministry has launched E0 FIR initiative for fast tracking of FIRs in cyber financial fraud cases? Correct answer is option B, Ministry of Home Affairs. In which state Saraswati Pushkaralu festival was celebrated recently? Correct answer is option C, Telangana. Who has been reappointed as the director of CBI till May 2026? Correct answer is option A, Praveen Sood. Which year has been declared as the Year of Gaganyaan by ISRO? Correct answer is option A, 2025. Who has won the Italian Open 2025? Right answer is option B, Carlos Alcaraz. Which country has joined the New Development Bank? Right answer is option C, Algeria. Javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra won silver at the 2025 Doha Diamond League by throwing how much distance? Correct answer is option D, 90.23 meters. What is India's position in the medal tally in Stage 2 of the Archery World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option B, second position. Which country has become the third largest automobile manufacturer? Correct answer is option C, India. Who became the first American to be elected as Pope of the Roman Catholic Church? Correct answer is option B, Robert Francis Prevost. What is Google Beam, launched by Google? Correct answer is option B, video communication platform. Kami Rita Sherpa belongs to which country, who has climbed Mount Everest for the 31st time? Correct answer is option C, Nepal. M.R. Srinivasan, who recently passed away, was a... Correct answer is option A, nuclear scientist. Who became the first Indian origin musician to win American Music Award 2025? Correct answer is option C, Raja Kumari. Which location has recorded the highest snow leopard density in the world? Correct answer is option C, Ladakh. Who won the Palme d'Or at the 78th Cannes Film Festival? Correct answer is option B, Jafar Panahi. For the film, It Was Just an Accident. Which country topped the medal tally at the ISSF Junior World Cup 2025? Correct answer is option C, India. Friedrich Merz has become the new Chancellor of which country? Correct answer is option A, Germany. Salam Saleh bin Barak has become the Prime Minister of which country? Correct answer is option B, Yemen. The Golden Dragon 2025 joint military exercise was conducted between China and which country? Correct answer is option C, Cambodia. The S-400 defense system used by India to neutralize Pak missiles during Operation Sindoor was bought from which country? Correct answer is option B, Russia. According to the Survey of India, what is the new official length of India's coastline? Correct answer is option A, 11,098.81 kilometers. Chonzan Angmo has become the first blind woman to climb Mount Everest. She belongs to which state? Correct answer is option D, Himachal Pradesh. The Indian Army has launched Operation Sindoor against terrorist organization of which country? Share your answer in the comment section below and subscribe for more videos.